how to make a game pass and please donate on Roblox mobile. So if you want to make a game pass and please donate on Roblox mobile, then make sure that you're logged into your account and that you have the application. So open up your Roblox application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you don't have your account, you can create an account. Now on the bottom right, you will have more options. You need to just simply tap on more. And then scroll down and you'll see a lot of options. You need to just simply go with the create section. Tap on create. Once you tap on create, you need to just simply go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And it will show you various options. You need to go ahead and click on the Creator Hub. And once you select the Creator Hub, it will take you to this kind of interface, your experiences. So you just need simply click on your experiences, tap on your experience or your place, and then go with the top left again. And from here, you need to just simply scroll down and you'll find an option of monetization. Under that, you will find an option of passes. You need to just click on passes. And then here, you need to just go and create a pass. So as you can see that I already have some passes right here. So if you want to create a pass again, you need to just simply go with create a pass right here. And then you need to add an image if you want to from your gallery, and then enter the name of the pass and then add some description to it and go with create pass, which will be on the bottom, and your pass will be created. Once you've created your pass, you need to just simply go back and then again click on passes. And you will have your pass listed right here on the top that you've just created. So go and select the pass that you've just created and you'll get this kind of interface. You need to go with the top left again, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then you will have an option of sales. You need to go with sales and do some basic adjustments. Like you need to turn on the option for item for sale and then enter the default price. And if you want to enable regional pricing, you can do that too, and then go with save changes. And after that, tap on proceed to proceed, and it will update the pass successfully. And now you can go back and go with the home section or home tab and tap on the search icon and search for please donate. And it will show you on your screen. Lastly, you can use the game pass and please donate, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.